What's up, guys? How's it going? So we got a whole bunch of stuff here. Manly rods, which are not in the box, they're actually right here. Connected to the pistons. Now, each piston has its corresponding place. As you can see, this one here is number 2, weighs 281 grams. The rod itself weighed about 520 grams. But yeah, they do that according to weight. Some oil on it there. But yeah, these are low compression LS. Basically LS replica pistons, but they're made out of the Mitsubishi cast for stronger durability. We're going to be pushing these around 450, which is what they're rated for. If you guys plan on building something like this, make sure you go down. We'll pick you up one of these from your local auto store. We'll go right here. I'll open this up and let y'all take a look at it. ATI, man, best money you can buy. So yeah, like right here, guys, it's just slip-on OEM style. You got to make sure you have all these torqued down. I'm pretty sure these other 6 are torqued, but these 3 comes with a pulley if you're going to be running power steering or whatever. And yeah, just some blue Loctite. It actually tells you right here. I don't know if y'all can read that, if it's focusing or what, but yeah. And that's good for high power, man. These things are good for like 2,000 horsepower. Because I know they be throwing them on Chevys and big blocks and shit, so what you don't want to do is run something like this. Now, see, this is a harmonic balancer. Stock OEM off of the LS. Now, these like to separate under very high speeds, so like I don't know if y'all can see that, but the rubber ring here will start to crack, as well as on the back they'll start to crack. So when they start to crack, what happens is the inner part of it comes out, and it's like a projectile at 8,000 RPMs or however fast you're going when this happens. And if you don't want it to happen, you spend the money on the ATI. We just got our cranks back as well. Mine's in this box. This right here, what hides in the plastic bag, is a Type R crank. ITR Integra. Yes sir, yes sir. And you guys will be seeing us put all of this shit together. Yeah, soon. If you guys want to see us assemble some blocks here, let me show you all the block. One of the blocks. We're gonna pan over ever so slightly this way. Yeah, that's an LS block there. I'm gonna do the ARP head studs on it, the whole shebang, kit and caboodle. We'll take her back over here to the parts. And I wanted to show you guys something I got going for the EF. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see the box. We got some CP pistons right here, nice and shiny. Just assembled them this afternoon with some H-beam Manly rods. Oh, sorry y'all, it's a little too close for you. Some Manly rods and CP pistons going into a D16 Y7. So yeah, gonna put a GTX on there. It's gonna be fun, guys. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and watch us do this shit.
The Boostnovsky is what we're calling it.
Yeah, that's gonna be the Boostnovsky. Yeah.
Did I fuck it up?
It's gonna be photos, logos.
Fuck this organization up, guys. Who cares about that?
Anyway, we got flywheels right here, the whole nine. We got our stage 4 competition clutch.
Sponsorship package.
Let's see if I can't zoom in on that for you guys. Let me see here. I guess I can't zoom in, but what I can do.
What we got in here is stage 4.
We got stage 4 clutches and the whole nine. They're good for, I think, up to 450 torque, I believe, something like that, close to it. It's like 250% more than stock. Yeah. But yeah, guys, we just thought we would show y'all what we did today and picked up from the machine shop a few days back, and hope y'all enjoy and want to stick around and watch us build these fucking things. Be a lot more footage coming out here soon. We just got to pick up some main seals, some pan gaskets, and just some little shit like that, and they'll be getting put together soon. And we're gonna go down to PFI speed to get our tunes done. We recommend you guys go to PFI to get tunes, anything for your turbo vehicles. Shout out to my boy Brent. Cool guy, man. Good
Runs the shop down there, owner.
Yeah, man. Good dude. We're gonna be hollering at him up in Denver. Get that done. So, and shout out to Boosted Boys. That's how we know about Brent. Shout out to Hayden, he's a Suicide CRX channel. Shout out to Zosh, he does his thing. Honda Street Garage, Sketchy DA, everybody in the Honda game. LA Tommy, fucking even Young Static, I believe his name. Yes, Young Static. Yep, Static, OG YouTuber. Shout out to and I'm sure there's more that were My Tom Films. Shout out to that guy who built a cheap Type R. But yeah, hopefully you guys want to see more footage and stick around. Click subscribe. Don't forget to like and share the video with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Boostnovsky!